Welcome to the EZ-Fit Playhouse Assembly instructional video. This assembly video is meant to walk you through the assembly of your new playhouse step by step. Feel free to reach out to us at 330-359-5708 if you have any further questions. Let's get started. We'll begin with the assembly of the floor kit. First, lay out the three 4x4 pressure-treated runners. Place a runner 2 inches in front from each end and a runner in the center of the floor. After the runners are in the approximate place, go ahead and fasten a 2x4 floor joist at the very front and the very back of the runners. The 2x4 floor joists will be placed 16 inches on center, and we will be starting at the front of the structure. Measure diagonally in order to square up the floor. If both diagonal measurements are the same, we know that the floor is square and we are ready to proceed with the 2x4 floor joists. After we have marked the 4x4 runners 16 inches on center, run a chalk line along the one side of the floor joists. You are now ready to fasten the floor joists 16 inches on center. The next step is installing the LP flooring. We will begin installing the flooring at the front of the structure using a 4x7 sheet of flooring. Your flooring is 3/4 of an inch LP Pro-Struct, and since it is a tongue and groove flooring, it does not need to lay a full 48 inches. Your finished floor will be slightly less than the 6-foot length of the building. The remaining floor frame length will be covered by the walls. The floor width, however, is the full 7 feet width of the building. Begin installing the flooring in the front of the structure as shown in the video. This will give you a nice factory edge for your single door, which is along the 7-foot front of the building. That concludes the floor kit portion of the video. Now we will continue with the rest of the instructions. Next we will install the wall sections. We will begin by installing both of the 6 feet long sidewalls. Fasten the walls by nailing the smart side siding to the floor joists as shown. Next, we will install the 2 wall panels for the back wall. Align the edge of the rafter on the rear wall of the outside edge of the 6-inch overhang of the side wall before fastening. Also be sure both rear and wall panels are positioned tightly against each other. Once the rear wall is installed, install several screws from the inside to hold the two wall panels together. We will now install the front two wall panels in the same way. Once the front and rear wall panels are installed, nail the SmartSide siding splices as shown. You can now nail the 2x4-inch wall plates to the floor joists as shown. The loft is now ready to be installed. Nail the loft to all three of the walls as shown. The railing section comes pre-assembled and can be fastened to the edge of the loft. Fasten the ladder to the loft as well as to the back wall. We are now ready to begin installing the rafters. The rafters will be installed 24 inches on center. The outside edge of each rafter must be flush with the outside of the SmartSide top plate. We will now begin installing roof sheathing. The roof sheathing is 7 feet long, which leaves a 6-inch overhang on both ends of the roof. Begin with a 4x7 foot piece of roof sheathing. The top edge of the sheathing must be flush with the peak of the roof. Remember to install 3 metal H-clips between the top and bottom piece of sheathing. We will now install the gable trim, or barge trim, along the peaked ends of the building. Next, we're ready for the fascia trim along the sides of the roof. Fasten this trim into the rafters as well as from the roof sheathing down into the fascia trim. We'll now install the corner trim as well as the door trim. Please note that the corner trim on the gables has a 45-degree cut at the top of the trim pieces. The door lock set can be installed at this time. The timber frame beam may need to be trimmed to the correct length. Your playhouse is now ready for shingles. You may want to paint it before installing the shingles.
We are now ready to paint, and then we'll be back for the shingles.
We will now begin working on shingles. The first step is installing the aluminum roof drip edge. Next, we'll install the starter shingles along the bottom of the roof. Now we begin shingling along the right side of the roof. Note that every other shingle has been cut 6 inches short. Once we reach the left edge of the roof, we'll install shingles that have been cut to the correct length. Once the entire roof has been shingled, we'll install the ridge caps. Your kit includes 3 tab shingles which need to be cut into 12-inch sections and installed as shown. That basically wraps up the instructional video. Thank you for purchasing an EZ-Fit Playhouse. We hope the assembly process goes smoothly for you. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us. You can find our contact information at ezfitsheds.com. If you purchase your shed kit through a retailer, please feel free to reach out to us directly, and we will be happy to assist you. Again, we wish you the best with your new structure, and we welcome any feedback you may have.